How to control the mind. In this video, we will explore the incredible power of the mind and how it can both control and empower us. We will also delve into strategies for harnessing this power and using our mind as a tool to achieve success in life. Friends, before telling you the methods to control the mind, let us first discuss how an uncontrolled mind can make us sick and weak. Our mind can take the reins, can't it? As it influences our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors through conscious and unconscious processes. These are often driven by ingrained patterns, biases, and past experiences, leading to automatic reactions and decisions without full awareness. Our mind is steering our actions even when we think we are making conscious choices. This is particularly impactful when dealing with stress, intense emotions, or deeply ingrained habits. So here is how our mind can control us. Unconscious patterns. Automatic thoughts like negative self-talk or unexamined belief can guide behaviors without our awareness. Conditional responses like past experiences shape our automatic reactions like fear or anger, which may not align with the present realities. Emotional hijacking. Intense emotions such as anxiety, anger, or excitement can overpower rational thinking. This is often called amygdala hijack, where the emotional brain takes over. Addictive behaviors. Craving habits and addictions like to food, technology, substances, etc. can lead to compulsive actions that feel out of your control. Procrastination and avoidance. Fear of failure or perfectionism can prevent you from acting, keeping you in a loop of inaction. Self-sabotage. Limiting beliefs or lacking confidence can unconsciously lead to decisions that hinder personal growth. So how to control the mind? Your mind is a powerful tool, but it requires training and intentionality. By practicing awareness and taking conscious steps, you can shift from being controlled by your mind to mastering it. Would you like advice on a specific situation where your mind feels overpowered? Yes. Controlling your mind involves developing self-awareness, managing thoughts, and creating habits that help you focus and regulate emotions. Here are some practical strategies. Number 1, develop self-awareness. Meditation, like practicing mindfulness or meditation to observe your thoughts without judgment. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings to identify patterns and triggers. Self-reflection, like spending time analyzing your actions, reactions, and choices. Number 2, practice mindfulness. Focus on present moment instead of ruminating about the past or worrying about the future. Engage in actions like mindful breathing or mindful eating to create the center of attention. Number 3, challenge negative thoughts. Identify irrational or negative thoughts. Replace them with positive or realistic affirmations. Use cognitive behavioral techniques to reframe your perspective. Number 4, set goals and priorities. Define clear personal or professional goals. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps to stay focused and avoid overwhelm. Number 5, improve emotional regulation. Practice emotional intelligence by understanding and accepting your emotions. Use relaxation techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization to manage stress. Number 6, build healthy habits. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity improves mental clarity and reduces stress. Sleep. Prioritize quality sleep for better cognitive control. Nutrition. Maintain a balanced diet to support brain function. Number 7, control distractions. Limit exposure to distracting environments or stimuli like social media and notifications. Use time management techniques like the Pomodoro method to enhance focus. Number 8, seek support. Share your challenges with trusted friends or a therapist for external insights. Consider professional counseling if intrusive thoughts or mental health challenges persist. Number 9, practice gratitude. Reflect daily on things you are grateful for to shift your focus towards positive aspects of life. Number 10, be patient. Controlling your mind is a gradual process that requires consistent effort and self-compassion. Celebrate small victories along the way. Do you find your mind overpowering you in a specific situation? I am here to offer you the guidance, share your challenges, and let us work on it together. Friends, this was today's video, which delved into the mind, which has both the powers to empower you and to destroy you. I have discussed in detail the methods to control your mind. If you have any question, you can comment, and if you liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.